Good morning everyone and welcome back to Ballet Cymru's online tutorials. Alex here, and today it's time for our stretch at the bar. Please make sure that you've done all the bar work leading up to it so that the muscles are warm enough to be stretching. Have a quick read of our disclaimer as well, and let's get started. So you'll start in 5th position, 5, 6, 7 and tendu towards your bar, devant 8. Going forward 1 and 2, curling up 3, 4, back bend 5, 6, 7. Either transfer if you have the space or just tendu 5th and then tendu the other leg out. We're going to lunge down 1 and 2, come up 3, 4, another little back bend, and try not to let the weight crunch onto your back toe. Keep nice and lifted. 5, 6, 7, into 5th, 8. Circular port de bras, 1, 2, 3, 4, reversing 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we'll do a little foot to hand stretch. Either take, if you're flexible enough, take heel, or you can grab from under, whichever. Take it to the front on a plie, and then stretch up to the side, hang out there for a little bit, and then at the end, if you want to, release the leg, see if it can stay. Mine will probably drop, but we move on. Okay? Nice and easy, nice and simple. If you're not flexible enough at this moment to do the leg and hand stretch, find a stable surface, and you can still relax over forward and have the feeling of your chin going towards your foot rather than rounding the back to keep it nice and long. Okay? Thank you everyone for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed yourselves, and I'll see you next time on one of our videos. Bye!